Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to skip levels in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone and go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. So after opening up the game guys and go ahead and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game, as you can see, where you can see the map with all of your levels that you can progress, you can see the events, the shop, and so on. So guys, now we can get started with passing our level. So guys, you can see I'm currently level 26 and let's say that I'm stuck at this level and I cannot pass it no matter what I do. Well guys, there are a couple of solutions. Basically, Candy Crush does not allow you to skip levels directly, but what you can do is to go ahead and buy power-ups to go ahead and just enable you to cruise through the level. So what you want to do guys, go ahead and click on the top of the screen, click on your profile picture right here that you can see. Go ahead and click on your profile picture, and after that guys, it's going to go ahead and open up your profile right here, as you can see in the me section, where you can go ahead and see all the power-ups that you have unlocked. So as you can see, here are my power-ups, and what we want to do guys, go ahead and just buy a lot of these power-ups by clicking on them. Click on them guys and click on the buy button, and you will be able to buy those power-ups and be able to use them in your level. Just use a lot of them guys, and this will enable you to quickly pass the level, and you will be able to go ahead and continue to the next one. But yeah guys, basically that is the only way to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.